Good morning, dear sixth graders. How are you guys? I hope you are fine. Hope you are having a good day. I hope you can enjoy this day with your friends in the school. I'm not there yet with you. Unfortunately, I'm not well yet. But as soon as possible, I'll be with you. But you have Mr. Romeo with you, at least in the video, and you can follow the class. It'd be very cool. Okay, guys, I prepare a very amazing class today. I hope you can enjoy this with the teachers over there helping me. But I am here with you. Okay, I'm not here physically. I'm not here with you physically, but my mind, everything is with you. Okay, just for you know. Let's go, guys, for our lesson today. And here is our welcome, our slide. Okay. Our class today, class number 27. Let's go ahead. Let's practice a little bit more. Guys, let's start our lesson as usual with a mental math. Okay. Our mental math today. Last class we learned about how to convert decimal form, fraction form. Let's practice a little bit today. Well, for converted, we need to divide. Okay, we have here the algorithm for division. Is 4 divided by 5. We're dividing over here. First, how many times 5 go to 4? Oh, we cannot do it. Then we just put a 0 over there, slide up the decimal point, and we use 8 because we have 40. Which number, how many times 5 goes to 40? It is 8 times 0.8. Our decimal form for this first number is 0.8. Our decimal form here for the second one, 1/20th, is the same method, okay? The same method over here, 1/20 is, we have the divisor and the dividend over here. Remember to divide is very easy. How many times 20 goes to 1? 0 time. Then let's go ahead. Remember to slide up the decimal point. How many times 20 goes to 10? 0 times again. Always subtract over here. And the last one, how many times 20 goes to 100? Then it works. We have 5 times. And the decimal, it is 0.05. Great. Very, very simple. And fraction form here, 0.8. As you remember, just write as a fraction 0.28 over 1, and you multiply the denominator by 10. Okay, we just move the decimal point one side to the right. And what's happened over here, as you can see, you have 8/10. But mister, we can simplify it. Yes, we can simplify it. We can simplify dividing by 2 numerator and denominator, and we got a 4/5. And the last one, fraction forms. We have here the same thing, 1.52 over 1, 10 numerator denominator, multiply by 10. We have 15.2 over 10. I will still have a decimal, multiply by 10 again. We multiply by 10, and we got 152 over 100. But mister, we can simplify. Yes, we can. If you simplify, we divide by 4 both sides. We got a 38 over 25. Great, guys. Here is the way, very simple, last class. Just convert it. And let's go ahead to figure out a little bit. Here is our agenda today, guys. Remember, we're still working Unit 3. What really makes the world go round? Great. But today we have a different question over here. Attention over here for our agenda about what we're supposed to do. Guys, as I told you, Unit 3, this is the thing we're working all this quarter, part of this quarter, for real. We work with Unit 3, what really makes the world go round. Let's go work here a little bit, understand these points. And our enter ticket today is, please, right now, time to journal, notebooks, guys, with you. Open your notebooks, pause the video and take notes for this question. What is the best way to find the percentage of something? Great. Pause the video now and write down this question in your journal. What is the best way to find the percentage of something? Great, guys. I hope you take notes for this, because today we will figure out the best method that works for you. Great. Here's our lesson today. Statement of inquiry, just for you remember, guys, why we are learning this. I would like to share it with you all classes, just for remember you why we are learning this. Right now I would like to make sure you know why we are learning math. This is the why I'm sharing with you. Great. Financial, personal, and economic change can be understood and simplified using proportional relationships like ratios and percentages. This is the math why we are learning this. Great. Let's go ahead. Let's right now remember our conversation techniques. Let's remember these are conversion techniques we learned already. Fractional, decimal, and percentage. We worked this last class. I think you remember. I showed it with you. Let's work over here using this chart over here. To convert it, guys, to fraction to decimal, you need to number by denominator, numerator by denominator. We divide and we got the division. Yes? And decimal to fraction, you put digits over 10, 100, 1,000, and remember to reduce. Remember to move to the right numerator also. Decimal to percentage, guys, you just multiply by 100 and the result will be in percentage. And the opposite, you divide by 100 and you got the result as a decimal. Great. Here's an example. Okay, I have the number 0.48 in decimal form. Let's first convert it to the decimal. Oh, sorry, in percentage. It's very easy. Multiply by 100 and our result will be 48%. Great. Don't forget the sign of the symbol percent, okay, guys, because we are using this right now. And how do we do this in a fraction mode? A fraction we learned already. This is 48 over 100. Just remember how do we read this decimal number? 48 hundredths. Oh, 48 over 100. And remember to simplify. Will be 12 over 25. Great, guys. Let's right now practice a little bit. Okay, I would like you guys, you have 7 minutes to practice in these methods over here. I would like to convert this percentage to the decimals and to fraction right now. Great. You have 7 minutes to work on this. Good luck. Great, guys. I hope you finish all this. Okay. Remember how to convert it. Okay. Like number 1, 20%. In fraction, 20 over 100. If you simplify, 2 over 10 or 1/5. And remember, guys, in decimal form, 0.2. It's very easy decimal form because you just divide it by 100. Like number 2, 0.75. Number 3, 0.15. Number 4, 0.71, and so on. The decimal form is very easy. Attention for the fraction, okay? Attention for, write the fraction for real and remember to simplify if it is possible. Great. You have in my class, I think you remember, you have the prime numbers wall. Be sure, because prime numbers we cannot divide. If the number is prime, you cannot simplify. Okay? But guys, it's very easy, very simple. Over here, guys, right now it is our lesson today. What is the best way to find the percentage of something? Let me share with you some statements, some requirements. How can we do it? Step number 1. As I told you guys, there's a lot of ways to find percentage. Ways is a lot. I will teach you today, guys, 3 different methods, okay? These methods are all valid and you can choose whichever makes the most sense to you, but you must always communicate clearly. Great, that's the method. I just teach you just 3, but mister, I know a different one. Please work with that, no problem. The method I would like you to work, it is the best one fits to you. Great. The problem, it is find 89% of 350. Okay, this is the problem. Let's go ahead. Method number 1. Okay, guys, write down in your journal this name. Method number 1, it is treat the percentage like a set of fractions operations. Okay, we have a fraction operation over here. Great, write down. The name of this method is fraction operation. If 89% is the same as 89 over 100 and 350 is the same as 350 over 1, we just multiply. 89, and we know the word that of means multiplication. 89 over 100 times 350 over 1. As you can see here, let me use the laser point. Oh no, the laser point is better. Like this. Great. We just multiply. And we multiply over here. And you'll find any shortcut. Remember, cross simplify. 0, 0, goodbye. And after 10 and 35 will be 2 and 7 over here. We multiply will be 89 times 7, 623. 2 times 1 is 2. A half of this result, it is 311.5. Great. Very simple, guys. Very simple how to do it. Great. This is the first one. And 89% of 350, it is 311 and 50 cents. Okay, and 50 and 5 tenths. Let's go, guys, over here. This is the first method, okay? We call this fraction operation. Let's go over now the method number 2. Method number 2, guys, it is, let's talk about treat the percentage as a decimal multiplier, okay? Method number 2, guys, all we need to do is change the percentage into a decimal multiplier instead of a fraction. Great. Right now we are multiplying this as a decimal. Very easy, very easy. Attention over here. 89%, as you remember, is 0.89. Yes, in decimal? Yes, yes. And how we do it? Just multiply as we learn. Remember? 350 times 89. Now remember, in the end we have the decimals, okay? Now multiply as usual. 9 times 0, 0. 9 times 5, 45. Carry 4. 9 times 3, 27, plus 4, 21. Just multiply by 8 here, and we got the result. And here, the result, the final result is 31,150. But there were 2 numbers behind the decimal point in the question. Then the answer must match. Okay, I have 2 numbers over here with decimal, 89. Then move 2 decimal point over here also. And the result is the same, 311 and 5 tenths. Great. We have some other examples over here. I'd like to share with you. You can see in the video here. The solution number 1, 0.21 times 18. It is 3.78. Very easy how to do it. And number 2, another method, 65 of 1,500. You just multiply by 65, and we got a 975. Great. This is the method number 2. It is decimal multiplier. Great. This is the second method. Remember, guys, these methods is you are choosing one. Okay, you don't need to work with all, but we are today just learning how to choose the best one fits to us. And let's go to the next slide, to the third method. The third method today, guys, it is break it down, then build it up. Okay, we learned this before. Okay, In grade 5, you learn how to break down numbers, and I teach you the beginning of the semester also a little bit about that. Remember, guys, most percentages we come across are a combination of some of these. Okay? Remember what you're supposed to do. Then write down in your journal these percentages over here: 100%, 50%, 10%, 5, 1, and 2. Great. And break down the number. Like, for example, 89% of 350. What is 100% of 350? 350, yes, everything. And 50%, it's a half of this. What is a half of this? 175. Very easy. And 10% here, you divide it by 10. Divided by 10 will be 35. And here, divided by 2, we got a 70.5. Or divided by 10, the first one. Can you see? It's very easy to figure out this one. We can find the percentage over here. And divided by 10 again, and we got it for 1%. It is 3.5. And for 2%, you multiply by 2 here. We got a 7%. And how can we figure out 89%? Well, mister, we have two methods over here, guys. It's up to you. The first one, you add 50% plus 10, 10, 10, 5, 2, 2. And you got 89. Because if you add these numbers, it's 89. Or you can use subtraction also. It is to have everything 100% minus 10% minus 1%. Okay, very easy. I think the second one is easiest because it's less operations to do, but it's up to you. Okay, guys, this is the method we call. Okay, one example here, the same numbers we used before. Other example, find 21% of 18. 100% of 18 is 18, 50 is 9, 10% 1.8, 5% 0.9, 1% 0.18, and 2% 0.36. To figure out to figure out 21%, I need two 10% and one 1%. Then I have 1.8 plus another 1.8 plus 0.18. The result, 3.78. Very simple. Exercise number 2, 65%. 100%, 1,500. 50%, 750. 10%, 150. 1%, 15. 5%, 75. 2%, 30. What do I need to make 65? I need 50%, 10%, and 5%. I add all the result, and I got it 975. Can you see? Very simple. I like this method. For me, Mr. Romeo, this is my favorite. Mr. Romeo, okay? But any of other methods works. Great. Guys, in this method also, some of you would like to see it visual is better to you. We can use this using visual representation. How, mister? Well, the first one, 89%. You draw a number line. And we know each one, it is 35. Yes? As you can see here, 10%, 35. And you go over 35, 35. You can add, is a visual. Is 35 times 9 is 315. Okay? And it is 90%. Minus 1%. We remove 1. It is 311.5. The same result. Okay, guys, you can use the number line over here. It's very simple. I like this method of the number line. I like this one. It's very easy. You can visualize the percentages. Number 2, the same thing, 24% of 40. Well, we know 10% is 4. You know 20% is 8 because it's 4 plus 4, 8. And we need more 4%. We need to add 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. What is 1% over here? Well, as you remember, 0.4. We are adding 1 0.4, the other 2, 3, 4 0.4s. And we add over here, we have 10% is 4, 1% 0.4, 4% 1.6. You just add 4 plus 4 plus 1.6. The final result, 9.6. Guys, very simple. Very simple. This one using the number line is good for if you want something to visualize, to understand what's going on, what's happened. Great. Is the method number 3, but with the number line to be sure you can solve this using the visual method. Great. Guys, it is very simple how to do it. If you have any doubt, please just let me know. I'll explain it again and again. And you have the video now. You can watch the video many times you want. Great. Let's go. Well, guys, let's practice now. We learn, we understand, we figure out the methods. Right now, guys, is the time to you be sure which method fits to you. Great, mister, how can I do it? Right now, here's the exercise. You will compare the 3 methods and figure out the best one to you. Which one you are the fastest for you? Which one is most obvious? Which one is more easiest to remember to you? Okay? Remember, this is just for how we have to do. Let's go work. And if you need it, guys, just return the video for the method you want to remember. Method number 1, 2, or 3. Just back the video and to be sure to how to solve it. But how to do it. Guys, in your journal, notebook right now, you will draw 3 columns over there. Okay, just an example here, 3 columns, three different columns, okay? In the column number 1, you write method 1, column number 2, method 2, column number 3, method 3. And above it, write the name for the method, fraction operation, decimal multiplier, and break it down. Great? This is the columns you have to do. And you solve. You write down. I'll just show an example over here, okay? I will solve the first one, but you're supposed to do, okay? Step number 1, the first one, calculate 10% of 300. Then the number 1 here, it is fraction operation. 17 over 100 times 300 over 1. Great. As you remember, multiply fractions, we can cross simplify. I have 2 zeros here, goodbye 2 zeros, goodbye 2 zeros here. Will be 17 times 3. 17 times 3, 3 times 7, 21, carry 2. 3 times 1, it is 3 plus 2, 5, 51. 17% of 300, it is 51. Great, this is the number 1 using the fraction operation. The decimal multiplier, it is the same method, but we are multiplying 300 times 0.17. Remember? Just multiply as usual. 7 times 0, 7, 7 times 0, 7, oh, 0, no, 0, 0, 7 times 0, 0, 7 times 0, 0, 7 times 3, 21, plus, here, 1 times 0, 0, 1 times 0, another 0, 1 times 3, 3, and 0, 0, 0, don't do it, because the 0, the result here is 0, 0, 1, 5. How many decimal points do I have? I have 2 decimal points. Then you move 1, 2. The number is 51. The same thing. Oh, very easy, mister. Yes, I told you. Very easy, very simple. And for the last one, it is break it down. Okay? How do we break it down? Now 100%. 100%. It is 300. A half of this, oh, that's not 0. A half of this, 50%, it is 150. 10%, it is 30. And 5%, it is 15. 1%, it is 3 over here. And 2%, it is 6. Nice. Which one I need to make it 17? Oh, so to make 17, we have two methods. It's up to you. You use the addition or subtraction. But if you're using addition, I need 10, 10%, 130. I need another 10%, another 30. Oh no, it will be past die. I need 17. Just one here. I need 5%, 15. 5%, 15. And I need 2% to be, will be 10 plus 5, 15 plus 2, 17. I need this one, plus 6%. If I added 30 plus 15 plus 6, will be 45. 45 plus 6 will be 51. Oh, the same result. Yes, I told you. But Mitch, can I use subtraction also? Yes, it's up to you. No problem. Subtraction. We need 10%, so be 30 plus 30. We got a 60, yes. And to subtract, how many I need to subtract? Well, I need 17%. I need to subtract 3, yes, 3%. I need minus 3 ones here. It's minus 1%, minus another 1%, minus another 1%. 30 plus 30, 60. 60 minus 9 will be 51 also. Okay, this is by subtraction. Guys, it's up to you. Our method works. I would like you to work on number 2, 3, 4. For early finishers, guys, we can work on a little bit more methods. You can ask for the teacher there in the classroom to give you more extra activities. It's very simple. Just figure out some other ones. Guys, it's very simple. Right now, how many times you need to do this? You have 14 minutes to work, figure out the best method fits to you. Solve number 2, 3, and 4. Great. Be sure how to do it. Figure out the best method to you. Great, guys. I hope you finish and you enjoy. Remember, if you want the answer keys for this one, just a mail sent to you. But which method is the best to you? Did you figure out which one you are fastest to you? Which one is the easiest to remember? Right now, write down. Remember the question in the beginning, the enter ticket? Here's the answer. The answer is right now. You got the answer. Your answer could be different than mine, than any other people. Okay? But remember, guys, you supposed to work on this and remember how to do this method. Okay? Remember, write down the method. The best way to find percentage for me, Mr. Romeo, is breaking down. I like breaking down. It's very cool to me. But for any other, you guys could be different. It's up to you. Great. Let's go ahead, guys. We're going to think, pair, share right now on the brain teaser. Okay. As you learn, guys, the viewpoint, the column before, I would like you to share with your pair. Okay. For example, if you're in chair number 10, share with your pair in chair number 11. If you are in chair number 11, chair number 12, share with number 13, and so on. Great. Just remember here, guys, what you're supposed to do. Great. We have the percentages over here. We learn how to do it. Share with your friend. What is the best method to you? Okay. The viewpoint. Because maybe he has different viewpoint from you. Okay. For the 3 methods we have explored. In each section of the wheel, explain why someone who likes this method might prefer it. For example, your friend choose another method. Why? What would they say about the good aspects? What is the best one for the method he choose? And now shading the section that shows your favorite method and think about what that says about you as a learner. Great, guys. Remember the method is very cool, very simple how to do it. And think about, guys, you use percentages in every day. Service, charge, given as a percentage, sales advertise, how much discount you will receive, banks and other things. We see percentages around us all the time. And I bring teaser to you guys, to you and your friend to think per share. Is 18% of 20 the same as 20% of 18? how could you verify this? Great, guys. Think about it. You have some time to work on this. Pause the video 5 minutes to think, pair, share, and do the brain teaser. Great, guys. I hope you finished this one. It is very cool, very simple how to figure out. Let's go, guys, work a little bit. The brain teaser is very cool also. Great. Remember to work on this. Okay, I'll not give you the answer in the video because I know you got it. It's in the classroom, but share with your friends what you got it. Guys, where's the ticket? Oh, we are finished our lesson. Yes, guys, so sorry. Very painful yet. Guys, what is the best way to find the percentage of something? This is a personal question, okay? There is no answer because my answer, Mr. Romeo, is different than yours. Or could be equal, no problem. But right now, guys, return to the question at the beginning and write down what is the best way to find the percentage of something to you. Great. I hope you write this down in your journal. Remember how to do it. Guys, homework now. Let me explain again. Our homework, guys, as you remember right now, is a portfolio. You have more time to work. You have more activities to work, but the method is very easy. We have extra homework also. Some of you was asking me, Mister, do I have extra homework? Can I have it? Yes, this Excel is over here. And this Excel here, just hit the button over here, the link. You go directly to the link you need it. And after you go to the link, you have here choose the S1. I think you remember how to read this, yes? The exercise number S, the code here, S1, S2, I have until S11. These are all about percentages. Homework number 27, October 30. Great. Learn lab and students working the even problems, not all. Okay. This is a portfolio assessment. Remember, guys, the homework now is portfolio. Okay. It's not just if complete or not. It's part of your grade. Great attention for this. Guys, as I told you, now the level problems is level 1 no more. Now is level problems. The same thing. The level 1, the simple exercise, how to figure out. Okay, we have some word problems over here also. Would like to work this. Level 2 is now level 2 is level complex. The complex is the same thing as level 2. We have over here more complex problems. Level 3, or now more level 3, now level challenging, is the exercise you challenge yourself. This is how you can figure out better and improve our learning. And the last one, level unfamiliar, or old level 4, it is the level more advanced to work and figure out the percentage of something. Great, guys. It's very simple, very easy. If you have any question, please let me know and email me. Guys, love you. I hope you enjoyed this class. You are the best thing I have here in RJ. Just for you to know, I really love you, 6th graders. You are the best. Thank you very much for this lesson. Thank you very much to help me this week. Very hard to me. I hope as soon as possible I'll be there with you. Love you guys. Bye bye.